Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best take-a-shot straw is probably one of the most innovative and fun gadgets to hit the market, designed to add an element of surprise and excitement to any gathering or personal moment. Imagine a simple yet ingenious device that transforms a regular drink into an experience, offering a unique way to enjoy your favorite beverages with a playful twist. This isn't just a straw, it's a conversation starter, a party enhancer, and a novel way to add a bit of flair to your day, making every sip a potential adventure. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus, your ultimate solution for hair repair. This powerful treatment is designed to bring your hair back to life. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It actively repairs damage, transforming your hair from the inside out. Say goodbye to damaged hair. This formula targets and repairs breakage, restoring your hair's natural integrity and health. Experience a noticeable difference. Your hair will feel incredibly softer and significantly stronger after just one use. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is perfect for you. It's designed to benefit every hair texture. Achieve salon quality results in the comfort of your home. Get ready to love your hair like never before. What we like. This is a pre-shampoo treatment designed to repair and strengthen your hair. If you have damaged hair from heat styling or chemical treatments, this is the perfect solution for you. It works in just 3 minutes to leave your hair feeling softer and stronger. What people say. My hair felt softer, stronger, and with much less frizz. With continued use, it looks healthier and is much easier to manage. It feels like a real treatment that works from within, not just another conditioner. My hair is nowhere near 100% healthy, but the areas that felt gummy now either do not feel gummy at all, or are about 75% improved. Number 4. The Twisted Shot Apple Cider Vinegar. Introducing the Twisted Shot, your daily dose of wellness. Packed with apple cider vinegar, ginger, turmeric, and honey, it's the perfect way to support your body. Feeling sluggish? This shot is expertly crafted to aid digestion and promote gut health. Experience a lighter, more balanced you with every sip. Give your immune system a helping hand. With the natural power of ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon, it's designed to keep you feeling your best. No preparation needed. Enjoy the benefits anytime, anywhere. Just grab a bottle and go for a quick, healthy boost. We use only the finest natural ingredients, including a touch of cayenne for an extra kick. It's a delicious and effective way to care for your health. Nourish your gut with this potent blend. It's the simple, ready-to-drink solution for everyday well-being and digestive comfort. What we like. This is a ready-to-drink shot packed with beneficial ingredients for your gut health and immunity. If you're looking for a convenient way to support your digestion and overall wellness, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those with busy lifestyles who want a quick health boost. What people say. The Take-a-Shot straw is a fun and unique way to enjoy your drinks. It's easy to use and clean, making it a convenient accessory for parties or gatherings. The straw is made of durable material and is designed to last. Number 3. ZOKU Reusable Metal Straw with Case. Say goodbye to disposable straws and embrace a sustainable choice. This reusable metal straw is designed for daily use, offering a safe and comfortable drinking experience for both hot and cold beverages. Enjoy ultimate convenience with its specially designed carrying case. It keeps your straw protected and clean, making it perfect for life on the move. This straw collapses to fit easily into your pocket or bag. The lightweight container neatly stores the straw and its cleaning brush, ready for any adventure. Customize your drinking experience with its telescopic design. It extends to fit any glass, making it ideal for everything from smoothies to your favorite beverages. This set includes the straw, a carrying case, and a cleaning brush. It's dishwasher safe, BPA free, and designed for your convenience. What we like. This reusable metal straw is designed for ultimate portability and convenience. If you're an eco-conscious individual who is always on the go, this is the perfect accessory for you. It collapses to fit into a compact case, making it ideal for your pocket, purse, or keychain. What people say. Perfect portable straw, small enough to carry around and easy to clean with the brush that comes with it. So easy to use, easy to clean. The straw is the size of a normal straw when fully extended. Compact for even small bags. Silicone tips and washing brush are nice extras. Number 2. Stock your home 2-ounce glass shot bottles, 16-pack. These small glass bottles are ideal for your daily wheatgrass or ginger shots. They are also great for beverage samples and food tastings, making them a versatile choice for your needs. Our bottles come with crack-resistant caps featuring a foam liner to ensure no leaks. They are designed to be reusable, BPA-free, and recyclable, offering an eco-friendly solution for storing your beverages. You can easily clean these bottles in the dishwasher, unlike plastic alternatives that may warp. For hand washing, warm water, mild soap, and a non-abrasive sponge will do the trick. Personalize these bottles with your own logo or sticker thanks to the wide label panel. They are perfect for storing everything from salad dressing to immunity shots and seasonings. This pack includes 16 clear glass bottles, each with a 2-ounce capacity. You also get 17 ribbed lids, providing excellent value for stocking your home with these convenient mini jars. What we like. These glass bottles are perfect for storing and transporting your favorite shots, whether they're for juice, wellness, or even homemade remedies. If you're looking for a sustainable and safe way to store small liquid portions, these are ideal. They are especially great for meal prepping or for taking small servings of supplements on the go. What people say. Quality glass jars. We use them for morning greens, perfect shot size. Dropped several times and no breakage. They have a tight seal. I shake my juice in these when it settles and not a single drop comes out, and I've done it with all of them and they all seal tightly. The bottles have a wide enough neck so I'm not struggling to pour juice in or making a mess. Perfect for small portions of liquid without leaking at all. Bottles are made of glass which seem durable, the lids are made of plastic which seem to hold up nicely. Number 1. IMPRESA 75 ml mini plastic bottles, 50-pack. Introducing our 50-pack of reusable mini bottles, perfect for holiday gatherings and festive events. They come with a funnel for easy filling, making them ideal for party favors. Enhance any celebration with these stylish mini bottles that blend seamlessly with any party theme. Use them as mini shot bottles or creatively decorate them to match your elegant decor. These mini plastic bottles are excellent for crafting, decorating, or storing condiments like sauces or dressings. Customize each one as a party favor or use it as a creative container with a cap. Crafted for longevity, these 2.5-ounce bottles offer an airtight seal and are dishwasher safe. Transport liquids with ease, knowing these supplies are reliable and leak-proof. With a 75 ml capacity, these bottles provide ample space for your needs. Enjoy nearly a double shot for added celebration, whether used as gifts or refillable bottles. What we like. These mini plastic bottles are a versatile option for various needs, from party favors to storing small amounts of liquids. If you're planning an event or need small, reliable containers for personal use, these are a great choice. They are particularly useful for creating custom party favors or for portioning out condiments for picnics. What people say. Great for packing in luggage and carry-on bags. Used for homemade vanilla. Great quality. Used for sauce as shower gift. Looked amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.